A TV Buying Guide. Chapter 1. TVs for Sale. Learn about TV home entertainment. HomeMediaMagazine.com. Home Media Magazine. HomeTheaterMag.com. SoundandVision.com. Sound and Vision covers everything in consumer electronics. HomeTheaterReview.com. Home Theater Review. Wired.com/tag/home-entertainment. Home Entertainment. HomeCinemaChoice.com. Covers everything in consumer electronics. TV review websites. HDTVReviewGuys.com. BestHDTVReviews.us. AudioReview.com. RemoteCentral.com. SoundandVisionMag.com. Widescreen.org. DLPTVReview.com, Digital Light Processing TV. TVs for Sale websites. ABCStereo.com. ABTElectronics.com. ADSL.com. ATI.com. Auden.com, TV covers. AVCast.com. BokehResearch.com. CableModem.com. DirecTV.com. DishNetwork.com. DVDDigital.com. DVDO.com. DVDTown.com. EchoStar.com. GoCyberLink.com. GeoPC.com. Gyration.com. Home.net. Hughes.com. InterlinkElectronics.com. InternetV.com. NetMedia.com. net-tv.net. newmedia.com. nuon-tech.com. onforal.com. panasonic.com. philips.com. phonex.com. plasmatv.com. playstation.com. proactiveelectronics.com. purediva.com. rca.com. replaytv.com. samsungusa.com. sciati.com. sega.com. simakrp.com. telect.com. thedigitalkingdom.com. toshiba.com. tvontheweb.com. tvpc.com. tvquest.com. uei.com. unitymotion.com. updateostage.com. videodiscovery.com. wavetop.net. webtv.com. webtv.net. wgate.com. wink.com. wireless-computing.com. zenzi.com/users/media. TVs for sale. Elite Home Electronics. 800-421-1605. PioneerElectronics.com. FLAT-TV.com. 888-307-3528. GE.com. 800-447-1700. HarmanKardon.com. 800-422-8027. Hitachi.com. 800-448-2244. JVC.com. 800-252-5722. MGIsoft.com. 888-MGIsoft. Mitsubishi.com. MITSUBISHI-DISPLAY.com. 800-332-2119. 800-843-2515. Nectech.com. 800-632-4636. Orion.com. 800-289-0981. Panasonic.com. 800-528-8601. Philips Magnavox. 888-813-7069. Philips.com. PinnacleSeas.com/smartv. 800-985-8679. Princeton. PRGR.com. PrincetonGraphics.com 800-747-6249 RCA-ELECTRONICS.com RevoXUSA.com 800-995-4434 Runco.com 800-237-8626 Samsung 800-767-4675 SoSimple.com SHARP-USA.com 877DTV Sharp Sony 888-772-7669 800-222 Sony 800-686-7669 Sony.com/DisplaysEstems Tivo.com 877-367-8486 uselectronics.com 800-283-1792 Voyager.net/TV 888-747-4638 Zenith.com 256-772-1515 Learn about big TVs/home theater. Blogs.widescreenjournal.org CinemaOurOnline.com Surround Sound DigitalMediaNet.com HomeTheaterForum.com HomeTheaterInfo.com HomeTheaterMag.com HomeTheaterTalk.com PolkaUdio.com PractiHome-Theater-Guide.com Big TVs/home theater for sale 1. Adcoem.com Aerialacoustics.com AmateurHomeTheater.com ANALYSIS-PLUS.com ASC-SOUNDPROOF.com AUDIO-IDEAS.com AudioLineSource.com BackyardTheater.com Build your own in-theater using an LCD projector and do it yourself. BelloINTL.com BestBuyPlasma.com BHPhotoVideo.com BillyBags.com BoatGurAcoustics.com 866-440-0899 ClassAudio.com CompUSA.com Creston.com CyberTheater.com Dolby.com/consumer/home_entertainment DunleavyAudio.com ECUstics.com EdgeAudio.com FaroUDJA.com FocusInfo.com Furniture.com GoDesignGroup.ca 780-484-0200 Edmonton, Canada GiraskinHomeTheater.bigstep.com HomeTheaterHiFi.com IntegraHomeTheater.com JamesSpeaker.com JumboSerene.com KenwoodUSA.com Kimber.com CalipSCH.com Leviton.com Lexicon.com Madrigal.com MarantzAmerica.com MERIDIAN-AUDIO.com MirageSpeakers.com MorettoZE.com Newegg.com Nordost.com OnKyoUSA.com PhilipsUSA.com/wired PioneerUSA.com Plurison.com PSBSpeakers.com PuristAudioDesign.com RevelSpeakers.com Rotel.com Sanus.com SilentValleyNet.com SmartHome.com smr-home-theatre.org Soulspeak.com SonicFrontiers.com Storadisc.com SunfireLabs.com TalonaUDIO.com Tannoy.com The-best-hdtv.com TheHouseDesigners.com/articles/soundtechnology.asp ThePrefectVision.com Theolaudio.com, Unclustereo.com, Yamaha.com. Big TVs / home theater for sale too. msound.com. 800-889-5845. audionut.com. 877-944-5505. creative.com. 800-998-5227. duquesne.com. 800-676-2485. illumins.com. 800-842-1687. Big concave screen. pioneer.com. 800-421-1606. solder.com. 800-4solder. stereoscape.com. 888-999-1490. theperfectvision.com. vdchrone.com. 800 vdchrone. VCRs / video recorders for sale. VCRs are almost obsolete. philipsusa.com. sanio.com. Cable and wire for sale. allkindscable.com. aerotech.com. avcable.com. 877-229-3601. berkeleypoint.com. seovid.com. electrospec.com. epanorama.net. ericsson.com/products. focusindustries.com/products-db.html. garvindirect.com. justgardenspeakers.com/products.asp. mjsales.net. modernelectronics.com. monstersible.com. nsipolaris.com. radioshack.com. sestv.com. shop.com. sjmediasystem.com. skp-cs.com. smarthome.com/8466.html. theproductking.com. veeder.com. whe.net. aceablebox.com. 800-785-1145. fosw.com. 800-473-0506. Midwest Electronics Inc. POG 5000. Carpentersville, Illinois 60110. 800-648-3030. midwest-electronics.com. premierelectronics.com. 800-231-2117. tkaelectronics.com. 800-729-1776.